good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very warm welcome to absolutely wonderful, beautiful, and auspicious day that brings together so many special people like you. I'm Sabia Bulbule, and today I have the pleasure of being host of this day. जैसा कि हमारे देश की परंपरा है कि किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत ईश्वर के नाम से की जाती है. Let's begin this reflection day with the God's name to recite some verses from the words of God and give us a noble start of today's event. I request Sabu Kamble sir to present a prayer song.
This is Sabu Kamble. ಸಂತನೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ದಿವ್ಯತೆಯ ಅರಿತವನು ಸಂತನೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ದಿವ್ಯತೆಯ ಅರಿತವನು ಸರಳತೆಯ ಸೂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಖವ ಕಂಡವನು ಸಂತನೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ದಿವ್ಯತೆಯ ಅರಿತವನು ಮಮತೆ ಬಂಧನ ಕಳಚಿ ಬಲು ದೂರ ನಿಂತವನು ಮಮತೆ ಬಂಧನ ಕಳಚಿ ಬಲು ದೂರ ನಿಂತವನು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಸಿದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಮನವನೋಯಿಸದಾತ ನೂರು ನೋವನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿ ನಗುತ್ತಲಿರುವಾತ ಸಿದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಮನವನೋಯಿಸದಾತ ನೂರು ನೋವನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿ ನಗುತ್ತಲಿರುವಾತ ಒಂದಾದ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿಗೆ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದೆಸೆ ತೋರ್ವಾತ ಒಂದಾದ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿಗೆ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದೆಸೆ ತೋರ್ವಾತ ಪರಮಗುರು ಆ ಸಾಧು ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಪರಮಗುರು ಆ ಸಾಧು ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋಪತಾಪಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಮಾತು ಬಿರುನುಡಿಗಳೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮನದಿ ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋಪತಾಪಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಮಾತು ಬಿರುನುಡಿಗಳೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮನದಿ ತನ್ನದನುವುದನೆಲ್ಲ ಮರೆತು ನಿಂತವ ಆತ ತನ್ನದೆನ್ನುವುದನೆಲ್ಲ ಮರೆತು ನಿಂತವ ಆತ ಸಂತನೆಂದರೆ ಯೋಗಿ ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಸಂತನೆಂದರೆ ಯೋಗಿ ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ನಾ ಕಿರಿದು ನೀ ಹಿರಿದು ಎಂದವನೇ ನಿಜ ಯೋಗಿ ನಾ ಕಿರಿದು ನೀ ಹಿರಿದು ಎಂದವನೇ ನಿಜ ಯೋಗಿ ಜಾತಿ ಮತ ಪಥದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಅವನಾತ್ಮ ಜಾತಿ ಮತ ಪಥದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಅವನಾತ್ಮ ಸೇವಕನ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತರದು ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯ ಸೇವಕನ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತರದು ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯ ಶರಣ ಶಿವಕಿಂಕರನು ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಶರಣ ಶಿವಕಿಂಕರನು ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಅನುಭವದ ನೆಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಜವರಿತ ಸಿದ್ಧನಿಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪರಿಗೆ ಹಂಗೇನು ಬರಿಗುಡಿಸಲೇನು ಕಲ್ಲು ಮಾಣಿಕವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಬಗೆ ಅವನಾತ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಮಲವೋ ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಅವನಾತ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಮಲವೋ ಮುದ್ದು ರಾಮ. Thank you one and all.
Thank you sir for your melodious prayer. Now we will have a news to know what is happening around the world. To present news in RI Institute, I request Asma Naz and Shoma Sharda to present a news.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our news broadcast. I am your anchor Asma Naz from Banapati district, Telangana. And first of all, happy National Constitution Day to all.
Good morning everyone. Soumya here from Kodagu, Karnataka.
Yeah. and I'll be guiding you through the latest updates and developments from around the world. Let's dive into the headlines today. First of all, international news. Bill Clinton says Trump's cabinet's about loyalty no matter who gets hurt. Pakistan protests. One policeman killed as PTI supports continue march towards Islamabad demanding leader Imran Khan's release. US missiles tech expert says no one can counter Ornishik seeks protections. Earthquake of magnitude 4.4 hits in Afghanistan.
Here is the national news. Supreme Court directs Commission for Air Quality Management to consider relaxing graded response action plan norms for educational institutions. Misled by Google Maps, car falls into river from unfinished bridge, 3 dead in Uttar Pradesh. Socialism means commitment to be a welfare state. Socialist in preamble doesn't mandate any specific economic policies, Supreme Court. Parliament Winter Session 2024, both the houses adjourned till November 27th.
It's time to Telangana state news. Telangana news. Telangana government reject Adani funding. Revanth government returns Adani group funding 100 crore rupees. Air quality in Hyderabad is good, TSPCB clarifies. Telangana faces growing health crisis as 50,000 unqualified doctors spread quackery medicine abuse. Movement of tiger creates panic in Asifabad.
Here is the Karnataka news. The Karnataka government has issued an official order to the Good Department to cancel BPL cards only for income tax payers and government employees. Karnataka High Court rejects plea to quash FIR in rupees 69 lakh Amazon scam case. Ex-MLC Ibrahim claims he still heads original JDS. Karnataka NEET UG 2024. Special stray vacancy round allotment results released at kea.car.nic.in.
Now Andhra Pradesh news. RGV agrees to appeal digitally for probe into his offensive post against Andhra Pradesh CM Chandrababu Naidu. Employees urge to government to take over 108 ambulance service management in Andhra Pradesh. Temples in Andhra Pradesh have become picnic spots, says Pawan Kalyan, Deputy CM of Andhra. APCC President YS Sharmila demands scrapping of power purchase agreements signed by AP government and Adani Group.
Here is the sports news. IPL 2025 auction. 17 capped players were sold before lunch during the IPL 2025 mega auction. World Chess. Dean catches Gukesh by surprise, wins game 1. Rohit Sharma feels the pressure after Jasprit Bumrah's captaincy comes through with flying colours in Perth.
Now it's time to science news. Massive 300 feet asteroid to pass by Earth today, says NASA. ESA's Probe 3 mission reaches milestone with successful fueling set for December 2024 launch. Bat adapt to hearing loss using hardwired neural strategies. NASA reconnects with Voyager longest serving mission in history.
Here is the weather report. Karnataka. Today's maximum temperature in Bengaluru is recorded at 17 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature is expected to go as high as 27 degrees Celsius. Andhra Pradesh witnesses mostly cloudy, hazy, high at 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 63%. Minimum temperature in Telangana is recorded at 16 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is expected to go as high as 27 degrees Celsius. That's the end of the news.
I am grateful for this opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Soumya and Sharda, for presenting a wonderful news today. Thoughts. Thoughts are the building blocks of how we understand and interpret the world, influencing our emotions, decisions, and actions. Now, I'd like to call Sudarshan sir. Please welcome on the stage and present the thought for the
I
day.
am Sudarshan from Raichur. today I got a chance to tell thought for the day. Common sense is not a gift, it is a punishment, because you have to deal with everyone with doesn't have it. Common sense is not a gift, it is a punishment, because you have to deal with everyone who doesn't have it, by Swami Vivekananda. It means once there was a small village, there was a RMP doctor. He was not MBBS doctor, he was a RMP doctor. He was giving the treatment the poor people by earning the money. He has a wife and also a son. He wants to make his son to become MBBS doctor, so that his son got good marks. He got a MBBS seat, and also he went America to become a MBBS doctor. After completing MBBS, he came to his village. He asked his father, "Dad, how did you pass MBBS?" The RMP doctor has told, "No, I did not study anything, but I am treating. I am giving the treatment, the fever, cough, and also small diseases." Meanwhile, a boy was called the doctor. "Sir, please come to my home. Yesterday you have given the treatment, but he did not cure. Please come to my home." The RMP doctor got ready to go to the patient's house. The MBBS doctor, its son, has also asked him, "Dad, I come with you to see you. How are you giving the treatment?" "Okay, come with me," his father told. The patient has settled on the bed. He went towards the patient. RMP doctor asked him, "Why did you eat the banana?" By checking the stethoscope. The MBBS doctor was shocked, because we are scanning in America and India also 25 to 30 scans. We can't say what did they eat. How did my father find out he ate banana? The patient agreed, "Yes sir, I ate banana. Therefore you did not cure. You did not cure by eating banana." The MBBS doctor was shocked. When he coming back his house, he asked his father, "Dad, I studied MBBS. I scanned many patients. I couldn't say find out what did they eat without scan." His father told, "It is common sense. It is common sense. When I was entered his home, the skin of banana was under the cot. I saw the skin of banana. I managed it. The MBBS doctor was shocked. Meanwhile, another patient's parents were called him. "Sir, you have given the treatment yesterday. He did not cure. Please come to look again." Again, MBBS doctor told him, "Dad, you should not go. I will manage. Suddenly, he went towards the patient's house. It was cobbler's house. The piece of the leather was there. He saw, "Oh, you did not cure because you ate the leather of piece. Therefore, you did not cure." The patient and also parents were shocked. "Are you mad or are you doctor?" The neighbors scolded him. Suddenly, Dad, he was shocked, and also he went back to his home. "Dad, I was failed. Then the father has told him, "The common sense is greater than educational knowledge." So thanks for giving this opportunity to tell the thought for the day. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for presenting a thoughtful story about common sense. Now, a reflection session is an intentional time set aside to look back on experiences, events, or progress. To present morning reflection session report, I request Santosh sir. So please welcome on the stage and present a report.
I am Santosh, as you know, from RIESI. I am feeling very happy and excited to stay here because today I have an opportunity to stay in front of you and present yesterday's morning session report of RIESI. First of all, I would like to start this session by saying my own quote. If you want to see the beautiful palace, go to Mysore. And if you want to enjoy the beautiful sight of waterfall, go to Shivamogga. Jog Jalpata is there. And if you want to improve your English knowledge, just attend the training programs of RIESI. It is not matter whether it is north or south or east or west, but only RIESI is best. Thank you. Yesterday, as usual, the day began with prayer, but the prayer was not as usual. I think all of you know, because the prayer was so melodious and so divine, and it filled the atmosphere with great divine feelings, and we felt really blessed after listening the prayer. After that, thought for the day was presented by Raji ma'am. It was really thoughtful. We were surprised to listen news headlines by Renuka ma'am and Sham Kumari ma'am, because they followed the multilingual approach method to dictate the news headlines. And after that, then we had report of previous 3 days, and Thursday report was presented by Aisha ma'am, Friday report by Nageshwar, and Saturday report by Netravati ma'am. All of them covered almost all the points of previous 3 days. We can say that their report was brief, well designed, and followed by language accuracy. Importance of the day was presented by Bhagwan sir, and he updated us with the historical significance of the day. And after that, we were very eager to participate in quiz competition, and that quiz competition was done by Nirmala ma'am, and really it was very wonderful quiz ma'am. And after that, we had action pack song, and that action was really so nice, and that song also was so nice. And wherever you find something extraordinary, you will find the fingerprints of a great teacher. And that great teacher is none other than our respected Usma Rahil ma'am. Because the very first period we got appreciated and received very positive feedback regarding our cultural program. Yes, and also fourth group members appreciated about their reflection session ma'am by Usma ma'am. And after that, ma'am explained about word stress, and really ma'am released our stress about the word stress, I think. And we are very lucky enough to have Usma Rahil ma'am as our mentor, and again we engaged in our class, and even we forget about there was a tea break. Yeah, and after tea break again we assembled here, and we are very excited to listen Suman Bandi sir's class. In our entire life, actually we never forget yesterday's Suman Bandi sir's class, because we realized that how to pronounce article A and the and the. And Suman Bandi sir explained tenses in unique way. We never forget that. So this is all the morning session was. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In the same way, I'd like to call Nagesh Prasad sir to please welcome on the stage and present the afternoon session report.
Good morning to all. Okay, nice, thank you. My name is S. Naga Prasad. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am going to give you yesterday's afternoon report. In the afternoon, Taskia ma'am explained the aspects in a paragraph. She divided the teachers into 5 groups, allowed 2 topics to each group, and asked them to work together to prepare a presentation. After tea break, Dr. Ravidaran Chakrakordi explained about authentic material. Teachers Advesh, Usha, Hasima and Venu explained how to teach vocabulary from face sheet and repos. Then Dr. Ravidaran Chakrakordi explained about robot teachers and all the teachers participated actively. After that, Sir explained strategies for promoting reading comprehension, including what we should do pre-reading, while reading and post-reading. After 5 o'clock, all teachers went to the library. This concludes the reflection on yesterday's afternoon session. Thank you so much for giving this great opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Nag Prasad sir. Now we have importance of the day. To present importance of the day, I request Hasina come and present what is there in this day.
Good morning to all. Every day has its importance. Today's importance is that it marks a pivotal moment in Indian history, that is Constitution Day. Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated on November 26th every year to honor the adoption of Indian Constitution in 1949. Our Group 5 heartily invited Ma'am Dr. Uzma Rahil. It emphasizes the values of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity, recognition Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's contribution and advocating for civic engagement in building a democratic and inclusive society. Initially celebrated as National Law Day, the day was renamed Constitution Day by the Indian government in 2015. November 26 marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1949, which came into effect on January 26, 1950. Dr. Ambedkar, a staunch advocate for the rights of the marginalized, led the committee that drafted the Constitution, a process that took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete. I invite Mr. Shankar to recite the preamble, a powerful reminder of our nation's values and principles.
To our coordinator, I would like to quote here, हम लाए हैं ये फूल व अकीदत के फूल हैं, हम लाए हैं ये फूल व अकीदत के फूल हैं, नजरों से कबूल करके आप इसे पलकों पे बिठाएं.
Morning to all. Happy National Constitution Day. This is Shankar from RI Bangalore. On the occasion of National Constitution Day, let's take a pledge of Indian Constitution Preamble. I request you all, please stand up. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. in our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Shankar sir. This day reminds us of the importance of upholding democratic values such as justice, equality, and liberty, which are enshrined in our Constitution. Another importance is the Mumbai attacks, also referred to as 26/11 attacks, were a series of coordinated terrorist attacks that took place in Mumbai 26 November 2008, when 10 members of Lashkar-e-Taiba carried out 12 shooting and bombing attacks lasting 4 days across Mumbai. The attacks, which drew widespread global condemnation, began on Wednesday 26 November and lasted until Saturday 29 November 2008. A total of 175 people died, including 9 of the attackers, with more than 300 injured. Our national heroes, Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, who was fatally shot while leading the operation at Taj Hotel, and Sergeant Gajendra Singh Bishat, Hemant Karkare, Tukaram Omble, who was killed while trying to disarm Azmal Kazab, and nearly 20 security force personnel while fighting against the terrorists and trying to save innocent lives. Their bravery, sacrifice, and dedication to duty will always be remembered. So, all the participants, please give them to tribute for 1 second or 1 minute. Please stand up. 1 minute. 1 second, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jai Jawan. Jai Jawan. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Hasina and Shankar sir. बोलो भारत माता की वंदे। हम सब एक हैं। जैसे कि मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदू सीता हमारा। Now we will have quiz. Competition requires preparation. Preparation is for active participation. Prize would increase the anticipation in a way to give a strong motivation for each team to give their contribution in the forthcoming quiz competition. To present quiz, I request Sid Raju sir and Santosh sir to come on the stage and present a quiz.
Good morning all. And now we are going to conduct a quiz. Before going to start the quiz, here we have a group 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 except 5. So each group carries one question. There are 3 rounds. In a first round, we are going to display the picture of some personalities. You need to recognize and name the personality. The first question goes to first group. First question goes to first group. Can you recognize the author? First group. Yeah, please sir. First group.
Stand up and answer.
Please raise your hands and answer the question.
From group 1, stand up.
Anyone from Arundhati Rai is the right answer. One who wrote the book, The God of Small Thing. The second question goes to second group.
Roy or right?
Arundhati Roy. Can you recognize the veteran actor? Second group. Question goes to second group. Anybody other than second group? The right answer is Surya. The correct answer. And the next question goes to third group. Can you recognize this mountaineer from India? She is the first female amputee mountain climber. She is the first female. Arunima Sinha is the right answer. Yeah. The next question goes to fourth group. Can you recognize this famous personality? I give the clue. Someone said correct answer. Tolstoy, The War and the Peace. The next picture for sixth group. Sandeep Unnikrishnan. Okay. So next round is we will display the some poem's name or book's name. You need to answer the author. You need to name the author or poet. The first one. First group. Vikram Seth is the right answer. A suitable boy. The second one. The Womb and the World. Rabindranath Tagore is the right answer. Correct answer. The next one. It's a poem. Ozymandias. P.B. Shelley is the right answer. Fourth one. Yeah, in the bazaars of Hyderabad, Sarojini Naidu. The next one. Girish Karnad, Hayavadana. To seek the perfection, the writer wrote this drama about Kapila, Devadatta and Padmini. Yeah. So next, questions about language. Group 1. Please raise your hands. The systematic study of bird is called as? Ornithology is the correct answer. The second question. What word spelled incorrectly in every single dictionary? What word spelled incorrectly in every single dictionary? The word incorrect itself. The next question. Find the odd one out. Noam Chomsky, Edward Speed, Robert Browning, Michael Bakhtin. Robert Browning is the right answer. Other three are the famous linguists. Robert Browning is the poet. The next question. The arrangement of words and phrases in a specific order is called as? Syntax is the correct answer. Next one. What is the acronym of TESOL? Anyone? Please raise your hands.
TESOL itself is an acronym. What's the full form of the acronym?
What's the stance of
What is the acronym TESOL?
TE? Teaching English to speaker of other languages. Thank you, one and all.
Good. Good questions.
Thank you, sir. Now we have action song. I call Sumlata in group. Please welcome on the stage and perform action song.
Found a peanut just now. Found a peanut just now. I am eating just now. I am eating just now. Stomach aching just now. Stomach aching just now. Call the doctor just now. Call the doctor just now.
Serious.
Operation just now.
Operation just now. No doctor just now. No doctor just now.
Bye-bye, doctor.
I am all right just now. I am all right just now.
Pay my fees.
Okay, come for the photo quickly.
Our group already created history because already our lecturers appreciated us. So never before ever after our batch minimum we have to collect some money, just 20 rupees to 100 rupees or 200 rupees. We have to donate our batch one clock. Remaining amount will be spent for library or anything. So now I request to Venu sir and Maheshwari ma'am, already they conducted cultural activities leader. Just to give your number, send whatever it may be, 20 rupees to just 200 rupees. Minimum amount will be just for clocks, then after remaining will be for library books and any other things. We thank you.
Should not. Please give them a very big hand. Group 5. So Priya, please clap for her. Satya. The anchor, Sabia. Okay, Priya, Sabu. Then the news. Please give them a big hand. Asma read the news today. Yeah, and Soumya and Asma. Then thought for the day, Sudarshan. Please clap. Reflection. Both morning and afternoon. Please clap for them. Importance of the day. And the quiz was also conducted well. Just pay a little more attention to the grammar here and there. Good. Please give them a big hand. Good selection of questions and pictures, and there was good coordination between the person who was displaying and the person who was asking the questions. Good. And answers by the audience. Very good. There was no past question. All of you had good GK. Then of course, actions song. Good action. Try to be a little more energetic, because as teachers, when you're doing it for the children will also have to pick up that energy. Do that, show that josh in you. Only then it'll be more interesting. Alright? So tomorrow we'll be having a group photo. All of you before 9:30 come dressed. Don't run to the rooms and then get dressed later. Okay? So morning itself come ready. We'll be having soon after your first period. Group photo. Alright? Yeah, so have a nice day. Other details I'll let you know later. Artwork here. Who are the artists again? Shiva Prasad. Please give them a big hand. Good drawings and good writing also.